Hello all, this is Nandini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about XML Dom and AJAX enabled rich internet applications with XML and JSON in client-side essentials. So before getting into this topic, you have to know what is XML and what is DOM. DOM we already discussed in the last video. So the XML, which is nothing but it stands for extensible markup language. So we know the DOM stands for document object model. So it is a standard programming interface so which is used to manipulate some XML documents. And the XML documents, it provide like a tree structure, so which is represented an XML documents. So in this tree, each node represent an element, attribute or text node, and the top of the node it is a document node, so which is represent the entire XML documents, and the child nodes which is represent the elements, attributes and text nodes in XML documents. And the XML documents provide some methods, so which is helps to create the XML nodes, read, update and delete. And these methods can be used to manipulate an XML documents, so which is according to the requirements of the applications. And the XML DOM can be used with some different programming languages such as Java, Python and JavaScript. So in each language there is some specific implementation of XML DOM, and it is also provide some methods, so which these methods to help navigate the XML document trees. So that methods are include get elements by tag of method, and second method is get attribute of, and third method is get child nodes of. And next one is AJAX enabled rich internet application with XML and JSON. So what is AJAX? So the AJAX stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So it is a technique so which is used to build some rich internet applications, so that applications can update some parts of web pages without requiring a full page reload. And it is a commonly used with XML and JSON. So the JSON stands for JavaScript object notations, so which is helps to transfer the data between the web servers and client side JavaScript code. And the XML and JSON, they both are commonly used as formats for exchanging the data between the web servers and client side JavaScript codes. And next one is creating a AJAX enabled rich internet applications, so with XML and JSON. And these applications are following some steps. So that steps are set up the server side program, design the user interface, and next one is write JavaScript code. So the first steps are set up the server side program, so which is nothing but first we choose the server side programming languages such as PHP, Python or any language, so which helps to set up the server to host your applications. And next one is design the user interface, so which helps to design the user interface. And next one is write JavaScript code, so this which helps to handle some user interactions and update the content of your web page synchronously. And next one is use XML or JSON to transfer data, so which decides whether to use XML or JSON to transfer data between the server and the client side. And if you can use XML, that is HTTP request object, which make a request to the server and it receive response in either XML or JSON format. And next one is handle response, so which is nothing but by passing the XML or JSON data and updating the content of your web page accordingly. And next one is test and debug, so which is nothing but test your applications thoroughly and debug any issues that arise. And the last one is deploy. So once you are satisfied with your application, then deploy it on the server for users to access. And the assessment of define AJAX enabled rich internet applications with XML and JSON. And the second one is how to create AJAX enabled rich internet applications with the XML and JSON. And the third assessment is what is XML Dom. So these are the complete reference. Thank you.